Students, now we'll see the next topic is how do organisms obtain their nutrition. In this, we'll see the nutrition in amoeba. Can you see this amoeba here? Amoeba is irregular in shape. It do not have a definite shape. One more organization is that it has a single cell organism, or you can say the unicellular organism. Now, one peculiar it is there that the food is coming from any direction in this amoeba. It can be engulf the food from any direction. यानी कहीं से भी food आ सकता है. This is the food is coming. So what is happening? The food is coming towards the amoeba. Here what is happening? Food is coming towards the amoeba. Okay. Now the next step is, as soon as the food come to the amoeba, the pseudopodia develops. Now what is this pseudopodia? Pseudopodia means the finger-like. This is the finger-like projections can be made by the amoeba to engulf the food material. यानी कि उसको अंदर लेने के लिए pseudopodia develop हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. Now as soon as the food is intake inside, the food particle go into the food vacuoles. This is the food vacuole. Food vacuole में चला जाता है. A food vacuole acts as a stomach of the amoeba. Okay. Now here all the enzymes are there which can be mixed with the food particles and then digest the food. After digesting, see this, the dot-like structures are there. The excretory materials, with waste materials can be thrown out from the amoeba. Excretory materials can be thrown out from the amoeba. This in this way, the nutrition in amoeba can be takes place. Okay, this is about one of the irregular shape animal. Now we'll talk about the another animal, that is the paramecium. Paramecium, you know how it looks. Paramecium is a slippery shape-like structures, and it is a definite shape. And one more thing is peculiar, that is the cilia. The hair-like outgrowths are there. All of the covers the body. So these are the cilia. It's called the cilia. Cilia. Okay. Now this is the mouth. This is the nucleus. Some vacuoles are also there. So this is how the paramecium can be fed. But one peculiar organization, it is a definite shape. And foods, suppose this is the food. So food is not coming towards the paramecium. Paramecium comes towards the food, isn't it? Paramecium comes towards the food and engulfs the food from the mouth. So this is how we can say that the specific spot is there, isn't it? Food is moved to the spot by the movement of the cilia, and it is a very fast mover. Cilia, there are tremendous thousands of cilia are there. Because of the thousands of cilia, they can move very fast, isn't it? And this is a fast mover as compared to the amoeba. Amoeba is a very slow mover. Slow. It moves very slowly and slowly and slowly. And whatever the pseudopodias are coming out, is very slowly it's going on. All the activities are going in very slowly. But in paramecium is a very fast movers, isn't it? So this is how the two examples we have seen: nutrition in amoeba and nutrition in paramecium. Okay. Thank you. Student, we have discussed nutrition in organisms in the last section, isn't it? Now, the food materials taken in during the process of nutrition is used in the cells. Various cells में use हुआ था, and that provide the energy. किस लिए हुआ था वो? Energy के लिए हुआ था, isn't it? The various life process, जितने भी हमने life process देखे थे, वो सिर्फ energy provide करने के लिए. अब यहाँ पे ये देख रहे हैं हम, पहला उसका प्रोडक्ट था C6CO2 plus 12H2O, isn't it? And that is what is the product? That is the product is glucose here. Now glucose have the 6 carbon molecules. You know that C6H12O6, 6 carbon molecules. Now the reaction is happening in the cytoplasm. Cells के cytoplasm में हो रही है reaction. उसका product क्या आएगा? Product will be the pyruvate. The pyruvate molecules फॉर्म होता है और उसमें 3 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं. ओके, ग्लूकोज, when converted into the pyruvate molecules into the 3 carbon molecules and plus energy. ये energy के साथ में form होता है. Now the question arises that there are the 3 pathways arises in the any organism, and that first pathway is that is called the absence of, whenever the absence of oxygen is there, and is where it is present, it is present in the yeast cells. Okay, it is present in the yeast cells. yeast में ऑक्सीजन की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, और उसका जो प्रोडक्ट होता है क्या रहता है, उसका प्रोडक्ट इथेनॉल, फिर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड एनर्जी. ठीक है, इथेनॉल का अगर फार्मूला है C2, यहाँ पे कार्बन C2 में डिवाइड हो गया. ठीक है, अब आ जाते हैं नीचे का एकदम से. दूसरा पाथवे लेते हैं प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मतलब जहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की ज़रूरत है, और वो कहाँ पे होता है, सेल्स के माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर में होता है. isn't it? तो प्रेजेंस ऑफ दैट इज कॉल्ड एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. इसको बोलेंगे अनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन, और इसको बोलेंगे एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस pathway? The product of pathway is carbon dioxide. Only one carbon, that is C1. CO2 में कार्बन कितना है, 1 है. फिर दूसरा है वाटर, और तीसरा है एनर्जी. isn't it? So this is the aerobic respiration, presence of oxygen in mitochondria. Now the third one is that is called the lack of oxygen. What is the lack of oxygen? जहाँ पे बहुत कम ऑक्सीजन का यूज होता है, और वो कहाँ पे हो रहा है, मसल्स के अंदर में हो रहा है. ठीक है, मसल सेल्स के अंदर में. कब होता है, जब भी आप दौड़ते हुए आते हैं, व्हेन यू रन फास्ट एंड ऑल द ऑक्सीजन यूज्ड बाय योर बॉडी and very less amount of oxygen is there, then what will the product? The product will be the lactic acid. Okay, and the energy. अब यहाँ पे लैक्टिक एसिड का अगर हम फार्मूला देखें तो C3 से चालू होता है. तो बैलेंस होना चाहिए, ग्लूकोज के 6 कार्बन मॉलिक्यूल बैलेंस होना चाहिए. सो 6 इज हियर, इथेनॉल में आपका 6(2), लैक्टिक एसिड में 6(3), और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में 6(1), C1. तो हो गया 5. तो इस प्रकार से ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो जाता है. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड द ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ ग्लूकोज बाय वेरियस पाथवेज. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, थैंक यू.
Students, if you have any doubts related to this topic, please do not hesitate to ask. Write your doubts in the comment box. I will answer your question. Thank you.